In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Topstep on TradingView. If you're new to TradingView or looking for ways to integrate with your Topstep account, stay tuned as I guide you through the process in an easy-to-follow manner. To begin, let's navigate to the TradingView website. TradingView is a powerful web-based platform for charting and analyzing financial markets, offering an array of tools to enhance your trading experience. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to direct your cursor and click on SuperCharts. SuperCharts is where all the magic happens. It opens up a world of advanced charting capabilities that you can customize to fit your trading strategy. After you've clicked on SuperCharts and have your chart window opened, the next step is to access the trading panel. The trading panel is a crucial part of TradingView, where you can manage and execute your trades with a variety of brokers. You'll find it quite handy to execute trades directly from the charts, allowing you to seamlessly bridge analysis and execution. Within the trading panel, you're going to see a link that says Show All Brokers. Click on this link. We're doing this to ensure that all brokerage options are visible to us, and it makes it easier to locate the specific broker we need to connect to Trade Topstep using TradingView. Once all the brokers are displayed, look for the option to Find Broker and give it a click. This feature streamlines the process of finding your specific broker, particularly when you're dealing with a large list of possible options. Having a centralized list makes it much easier to manage and choose the broker that aligns with your needs. Next, it's time to type in Tradovate in the search bar. Tradovate is the broker you'll need to connect with to successfully trade Topstep through TradingView. Upon entering Tradovate, you should see the option to connect. Click on it. This connection integrates your TradingView account with Tradovate, allowing for smooth trading executions and account management. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to setting up your TradingView to trade Topstep using Tradovate. Follow these steps to ensure your trading setup is ready and efficient, ultimately enhancing your overall trading experience. As always, make sure you're comfortable navigating platforms and seek out additional resources or support if needed. Thanks for tuning in and happy trading.